Assalamu alaikum dear viewers. Today's reading is for zodiac Virgo, and the reading is what is going to happen in July 2020 for my dear Virgo. I am directly going towards the reading. Okay, now your reading is your first card is Eight of Pentacles, and this is upside down. With this card upside down, yes, you have this card, and there is a spider over it. Spider is a hard worker, and he can do the hard work for what he want to get. A person is a hard worker over here, and there when this card is upside down or the reverse in reverse position, this recall that you are not doing the hard work over here. You are letting this getting this easy. Okay, or maybe you are done some hard work towards something, towards some aim, and you still don't get the profit out of it. Yes, and you are not happy about this situation because you have no profit about all you have done, about all your hard work. Four of Pentacles, and with this you are not happy with this situation. You want to let that go. You don't want to think about it anymore. Four of Pentacles. Yes, you don't want to think about it anymore. You want to let this situation go. You don't want to do any hard work for it. You don't want to think about it even. Okay, because you are so disheartened over here because of this situation. You are doing since a long time some project, and this is not giving you anything, and now you are not still in with this card upside down. You don't wait for anything. You don't want anything anymore. You want to leave this situation. You want to stop that waiting for them, that situation. Okay, you want to go somewhere else, to move somewhere else, to do something new over here. And with this Hierophant, there is no one who can teach you what is the wrong, what is the right, and also there is no one to restrict you. You are free with your own thoughts, with your own steps. Okay, this is the Hierophant card with restrictions, with unity, and now you don't have any unity with anyone, or now you are free, a free soul, and you can do whatever you want to do. Yes, someone had restricted you in the past. Maybe they are your parents or someone, maybe your children, your wife. You have done lot of things to happy, to make them happy, but nothing happens for your all what you have done for them, and now you are not anymore restricted. Maybe that person leave you, or you want to leave them. You prepare your mind to leave that situation, leave that job. If the situation is for job, if this situation is a job situation, and if this is some kind of family situation, then also you are now free for what you want to do. With this High Priestess was upside down. You are not wise. No, you are not thinking wisely over here. You are doing with your heart, with your what you want to do, but you are not thinking well over here. This is not the right time to do anything, because you are not your mind is not working. You are not thinking wisely. With this Queen of Pentacles, this is a mother-like card. Queen is also represented for mother, and with this card you want to fulfill your promise. somebody is here to take care about someone, or you are like that person. Maybe you are the lady, you are the woman, and you want to take care of someone. You want to fulfill your promise. You want to make money, and here your intuitions are higher, and you think your mind are so great, and you have something in your mind. You want something over here. uh, you are very ancient, or your roots are very strong. Maybe you have someone at your back, who is with you, who help you. Yes, and maybe you are a good person with a good with a respect for all in your mind, in your heart. And with this, what is this? Yes, with this, maybe this is a lotus or some flower in her hand, and you want to give that flower to your loved one. Okay, with this six of swords, you are stuck over some bad situation, some bad time, some unhappy time, and now you are moving towards your happiness. You are moving from that bad situation. The crows are here, they are watching you, but they can't get you, because you have help from the universe. There is that swan taking that girl towards their happiness. Yes, or maybe you are manifesting that things. You are watching the dreams about your happiness, about your good time. Yes, and with this hanged man, you are not seeing the perspective at the right side. Okay, you are thinking wrong. You are maybe somebody make you think wrong. They tell you that this is not good, or this is the bad thing, or whatever, and you are following them, you're listening to them. Maybe this is also the situation over here. Okay, and with this two of pentacles, you are juggling something. You have to plan or decide something over here, and you are not able to decide it. You don't want to decide it. You are letting it easily. You don't want to decide anything. Maybe you are so afraid of to do something or to decide something, and this is not good for you. You have to decide something soon. There is two persons or two jobs or two things over here that you have to decide from, that the one the two the one out of two. Yes, and you are standing over the cliff. If you make a little mistake, you can drop from there, fall from there. And there, I think there is someone who is whispering in your ears, do it, do that, do not do that. Okay, monkey like person or devil like person. I think there's someone in over here. Yes, and you are listening to them. That's why you are not looking at what is in front of you. If you're still listening to that person, if you have some person, or maybe if you listen to a Satan or devil, that person is not good for you, that this situation is not good for you. If you make a one step, only one step, you can fall from that cliff and die. You have some major disaster in your life. Okay, maybe you want because this juggler's face is towards this 10 of cups. You want the happy home life. You want them to love you. You want to make them happy. Okay, you want to make them happy. I want to clarify that. I think you are not happy about something over here. You are thinking about something else, and now you have once again the Ten of Cups. You have two or Ten of Cups, and you have this happy home life. Still, you want something else with this happy home life. Maybe you have two persons, and you want them both in your life. You have you have you want to have both of them and want to get a happy home life with both of them. Yes, I think that is the situation. That's why this Four of Cups is here. You are still thinking about someone else. You're happy in your home life. You have the kids, you have the family, you have the money, but you also thinking about someone else. You want to have them in your life also. That's why you are juggling over something. You which situation is good for you. If you have to wait for them, if you want to, if you have to go towards them, now you are free. There is no one to restrict you, no one to stop you. uh, you can do what you want to do, and now you are thinking about that person. Maybe your parents or someone restricted you to go towards that person, and now you are free of them, and you think that you can have that person in your life. Yes, you are doing a hard work to get them. You are putting the seed in the sand, in the soil, to get the fruit out of it. And now you are doing something over here. You are making something. You are manifesting them over here. Yes, you are starting something to go towards them, to do something to go towards them. Yes, you can see that that lady is watering that plant to get the seed out of it, to get the fruit out of it, and you are doing the same. Yes, this is a long term situation. You have to wait for it, because the Seven of Pentacles, this is a slow energy. You have to wait for it. And with this Hanged Man, you are very stubborn. You are stuck over here. You want to do this thing. You want to you want it to happen. Okay, and you are not seeing the what is good for you, what is wrong, or what you have to do. You are not listening to anyone else. You are just listening to yourself, and you are stuck over here. Your mind is stuck over here. They make a iron cover and fold yourself inside it, bury yourself inside it. That's nobody can say anything to you. You want this to happen, and you want it now. With this soulmate, yes, this is your soulmate, and this is the upside down card. This card is in reverse position. That means that they are not your soulmate. You already have your soulmate, and this person that you are thinking about, they are not good for you. They are not your soulmate. Okay, please don't think of them, and decide with someone else, consult it with someone else. And with this angel of time working too hard, you are working too hard about this situation. You want to have them you want them in your life, and you are doing a lot of things to get them. You are not taking the nap, you are not taking the rest. Your mind is working all the time, like a clock. Tick tock, tick tock, tick tock. It is working in working position. You are not relaxing over here till you got them. But this person have the devil energy, or maybe they are Capricorn. Devil card is for Capricorn, but they have the devil energy. They are the most toxic person. You will never happy with them. maybe they will fight with you. They are angry person, they are a very clever, very keen person, very witty. um, you have the addiction over them, and your thoughts are chained towards them. You don't want to leave them. Okay, and with this snow angel, the sign are with you already. Yes, the you are praying for them, and now Allah and universe is going to give you them. The sign is with you. You are seeing the signs that they are coming towards you. They are still not good for you, but they are coming towards you because you want them. You want them very badly. uh, you are crying without them, you're crying for them, and that's why the universe is going to give you that person. Okay, now this is the reading for today, for my dear Virgo in July 2020. You are going to have this person, or you are going to make some plan to go towards that person. Okay, this is the situation over here. I hope you like it. Please like, share, subscribe. If you want to know more about this situation, please go and check my previous videos, and if you want to check my new videos, then click the bell icon, bell button, so you can watch my see my new videos. And with lots of love, with lots of good wishes, bye.